Today we are going to talk about Bal Muni Aimutta and how he became a monk. In the kingdom of Polaspur lived King Vijay and Queen Srimati. They had a son named Abhimukta. Once Abhimukta was playing with his friend, he saw a monk. The monk's name was Gautam Swami. He was barefoot and bald. He was going from one house to another to get food. Abhimukta said Mathena Mandami to Gautam Swami and invited Gautam Swami to his palace so that he can offer food to Gautam Swami. Gautam Swami agreed and they both left for the palace. Aimutta bought laddus and gave all of them to Gautam Swami in his patra. As Gautam Swami was leaving, Aimutta said that your bag is very heavy. Let me help you carry it. Gautam Swami said, I cannot give it to you because it can only be carried by those who have taken Diksha and have become a monk. Aimutta said that he wants to take Diksha and become like Gautam Swami. He accompanied Gautam Swami to where Mahavir Bhagwan was giving Deshna. With his parents' permission, Bhagwan Mahavir gives Diksha to Aimutta and now he becomes a monk. Bal Muni Aimutta. One day, Bal Muni Aimutta saw some children playing with a paper boat in a water puddle. He became excited about playing and forgot that as a monk he could not play with water. He took his patra and started playing in the water. Meanwhile, other monks came there and saw him playing with water. They said, Bal Muni, what are you doing? Did you forget that as a monk you should not play with water? Playing with water causes harm to many living beings that live in water. Bal Muni realizes his mistake and upon returning to his place, he recites Iryavayam. Thereafter, he truly studied the 11 Agams. One day at the age of 13, he again saw kids playing in water puddle. He remembered the sin he had committed while playing with the water as a monk many years earlier. He was extremely sorry for what he had done. He began thinking, what did I do? I have hurt so many living beings just for fun. How can I be free of these sins? O living beings, I have caused harm to you. Please forgive me for my sins. I will never commit these sins again. Because he was deeply sorry, all of his bad karmas were destroyed and he attained Keval Jnana. He became a Kevali at the age of 13. Jai Jinendra.